afraid to love me, so why am I picture everything going smooth as can be, but that's a lie. And it always ends up that it's always my fault, 'cause I always mess up and it's you that I call.
Hello my friends, thanks for watching our videos. Yuhang factory deserves your chest. Today our protagonist is our pneumatic semi-auto filling machines. This one. Our filling machine is suitable for various viscous liquid, cream and paste, such as detergent, liquid soap, gel, oil, toothpaste, BB cream, foundation cream, soy sauce, wine and water, etc. And let's take a look at its appearance. It is quite compact at a height of nearly 162 centimeters and both width and length is 45 centimeters. And it only weighs 50 kilograms, so you can move it easily to anywhere that you like. Okay, let's dig into more details. Let's look at this hopper. This hopper can load up to 30 liters materials. The inner surface of this hopper is made of SUS 316, which has been mirror polished to meet the GMP standard. Below the hopper we have got our filling nozzles, from which the materials will be squeezed out. Okay, and then let's take a look at our control console. The control console here is quite simple. We only have got several buttons and a gauge. From left to right we have got the flow speed valve, interval valve, air pressure gauge, auto or manual switch, emergency stop button. I will introduce it one by one. The flow speed valve controls the discharging speed of the materials, and the interval valve controls the interval. With the air pressure gauge, we can easily monitor the air pressure inside the cylinder. Okay, so next we will talk about the auto and manual switch. The auto manual switch will help us switch between the auto mode and the manual mode. Under the auto mode, you can get the machine discharge the materials at the preset speed, volume, and interval. Okay, so you may be wondering how to control the volume. Okay, I will turn the machine and we can take a look at the left side of the machine. Here we have got a hand wheel, and beneath the hand wheel is the gauge, which has been marked by different volume numbers. Okay, here we can see 0 from the bottom is the 0 millimeters, and the top is 60 millimeters. So it means that we can rotate this hand wheel to get a volume range from 0 to 60 millimeters. Okay, so this is the automatic mode. And if we switch to the manual mode, we need to step on this pedal to get a discharge at a preset speed and volume. Okay, so under this mode, the interval valve will no longer be needed. So you don't need to worry that you need to hurry to get a button beneath the nozzle. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching our videos. If you like our videos, please give us a like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.